Welcome back. I'm glad you've made it through the week. This coming week, March 23rd through the 28th, you're going to be spending most of your time for this class preparing for the midterm exam. The midterm exam itself will be given on April 6th from 11:10 until 2 o'clock. And I know that's 2 weeks away, but from March 29th through April 5th, you'll actually be on spring break. So I want to make sure that you're prepared this week, and if you do a good job and complete all the activities, you should be well prepared, and you'll just have to review a little bit on Sunday the 5th and maybe Monday morning the 6th, and you should be in good shape for the midterm. In a lot of ways, the midterm exam is going to feel easier to you than assignments 1, 2, and 3, because I'm only requiring that you have one piece of evidence in each paragraph to support the point you're making in that paragraph, because I recognize you have much more limited time to get the whole thing done than you normally do, where you can space out work over a period of days. So hopefully that'll feel easier to you. One thing you absolutely need to do, and it's part of the activities that are in Module 4 that you're going to be working on this week, is you absolutely need to prepare your works cited page ahead of time. Also, you need to prepare a list of signal phrases and in-text citations for each one of the 8 articles that are on the reading list. And same thing, make sure all 8 articles are in your works cited list. Make sure you alphabetize them. Make sure all the capitals are in the right place. The quotation marks are in the right place, the periods and commas, all of that stuff. The reason that you need to do that this week is there won't be time during the midterm exam to work on that. If you come into the midterm not having done that, you're going to have a very difficult time trying to find time to do that. For most people, it takes like a half an hour, maybe 45 minutes to put together the works cited page, and you won't have that kind of time to spare while you're trying to write the essay during that time period. Okay, so I hope that's, if you have questions about the works cited page, if you want me to take a look at it, I'm happy to do that. Keep in mind that I'm available by email anytime during our normal class meeting time from 11 to 1:40 on both Monday and Wednesday. You can be sure I'll respond to you right away. Or you can email me any other time this week, and I will definitely get back to you within 24 hours. One thing that I'm aware of is that some of you may not have the equipment like a computer at home that you really need to be able to do the exam well. It's going to be very hard for you to write the exam on a phone. And the college is working on trying to set up a loan program, loaning Chromebooks to students who need to use them. So if you are a student who really needs to borrow a Chromebook from the college, please email me and let me know, and I'll try and work out the details. The college just started to provide us with that possibility on Friday, so I don't know all the details about it, but I want to make sure that you have the equipment that you need. So the next thing I want to remind you of is that after the midterm exam on Monday the 6th, you're going to be starting our 2 final projects in the semester, and those are the research paper and reading and discussing the book Just Mercy. So you really don't have to do anything for this class between Monday the 6th after you post your exam and Wednesday the 8th of April, but starting on the 8th of April, just be prepared that we're going to be starting those 2 projects. I think you will find it less stressful than the first half of the semester, frankly. That's just my opinion, having taught this course a couple of times. You really have learned all the skills you need now to put together a good argument essay. The research paper is just longer. It's not different. I don't even think it's harder. It's just longer. And Just Mercy is a really interesting book, and I think you'll enjoy doing that and participating in discussions online with students. Okay, that's it for now. Please keep checking your email and check back on Canvas because things change frequently in the college, as you know, and I try to both email you and post announcements to keep you up to date with what's going on. So that's it for now, and good luck this week, and email me if you're having questions.